Excel at email marketing with these great tips. If you are serious about online success, you need to get serious about your online marketing strategy. An email marketing campaign can be the best way to start attracting your target market, so you need to know the right things to do. This video lays out effective tips for making your email marketing plan what it needs to be. Offer a coupon to customers who sign up for your marketing email list. Put a form on your website where customers can sign up and set the form to email automatically new customers a coupon when they submit the form. This encourages customers to agree to allow you to send them marketing materials so that you won't be accused of sending out spam. Before you put someone on your email marketing list, you need to have their permission. If you don't have their permission, you will be responsible for sending spam and there will be many complaints. Your email provider may even dissolve your account if they get wind of what you're doing. Prevent that from happening by requesting that people subscribe to your list. Give your marketing emails the same consideration that you give your site content and other marketing materials. Too often businesses take a too casual approach to their email marketing efforts, and seemingly small errors like typos end up undermining their readers' perception of their level of professionalism. Before you add an email to your marketing rotation, ask yourself if it would inspire you to buy. Diamonds may be forever, but permission is not. Even after you have subscriber permission, renew it somehow after around 9 months, since that is the typical expiration date of permissions given. Not only will prospects feel respected by your polite behavior, you will rapidly identify who is really interested in your material. It is vital that you always get permission before adding someone to your email marketing list. If you do not, people will view your messages as spam and simply delete them. If a lot of complaints are sent to your email provider, you could get in trouble for violating spam policies. Write your email marketing campaign content for human beings, not software. If the text is authentically intended for human watching, you do not need to worry about spam filters eating your messages alive. Do not get cute or overly creative with your vocabulary in an attempt to avoid spam filtration. Be sure to ask permission to be able to send information to someone's email. When asking, be sure to offer something in return. Turn it into something that your customers will look forward to checking instead of watching it. This will keep your emails from looking and feeling like spam. Apply the tips in this video so you can create a strong, effective email marketing plan. Don't neglect the other methods of marketing your business, but know that your email campaign can be a strong way to get you where you want to be on the internet, and in your business. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.